So today I'm gonna do a crappy rose series on the LD Braithwaite that I planted almost 2 years ago. Is it 2 years? Let me think. 2.5 years ago, almost 3 years now. So I planted this LD Braithwaite the same time as my James Galway. My Spirit of Freedom, and also my Dark Lady. So this rose is like hot mess. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is his rootstock, and I only have one can left on this, and there's no leaf on it because the leaf, first of all, always on black spot all the time, right? All the time. Okay, it has a very beautiful bloom, okay, but the bloom is very, very small during the summertime. Like in the summertime, it's even smaller than this, and it does bloom a lot. Like this is a bloomer. So if you are in the if you managed to get one that is healthy and not a humid area, I'm still sure that it's a good rose to grow. But he doesn't like heat. I mean, it will bloom. I say it will bloom, but the heat will make it very small. And I only see it looking good one time, which is his first year in the spring. It has huge bloom, a very beautiful red rose. But that's it. I only see it one time, and after that, it gone like crappy. Like, look at that. This is my and it go very weird growing habit. Like you can see, this cane is like going here, one long cane just shoot out of nowhere, and another one go another direction. It's just like weird. It's very hard to describe its shrub form. It's not very neat shrub form at all. And look at those tones, guys. Look at those tones. They are like weapon. You know what is a weapon? That is a weapon. So for me, this rose gotta go. I'm done with it. It's not looking good, so I need to replace with something else. Yeah. So LD Braithwaite and Royal Jubilee gone. Oh, by the way, it doesn't have fragrance. So it doesn't even have fragrance. I have no even a reason to keep him, especially I have so many good red roses in my garden, so that if they ask them, please bring back the Squire. Why? I don't know why you discontinue the Squire, because the Squire is a much better red rose all around. Okay, anyway, I'm done. Bye bye, LD Braithwaite. Now, if any of you watching this video, will you please leave a comment and tell me if you grow LD Braithwaite, how does it grow for you in your area? So maybe this will help other people to manage to know, like, this row might be crappy in my garden in Mobile, Alabama, but it might be great in other area. All right, thank you so much for listening to me whining about it. And next I will show you the next crappy rose in a few more days later.